it's your girl Coco, and we're back with another video. Welcome back if you're returning, and welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be making a chicken stew. You're going to need some Italian seasoning, some red crushed pepper, some smoked paprika, some slap your mama, some Creole Tony Sisteries, okay? Some lemon juice, salt, pepper, onions, garlic, carrots, potatoes, celery, chicken, boom, y'all. You already know what to do. So first you're gonna wash and pre-season your chicken before you do anything. So that's what I'm doing here. It doesn't matter the order of the seasoning, just put that in, put whatever you like, however you want your broth to taste, your chicken to taste like. That's what we're gonna do. Alright, y'all, so after you're done seasoning, you want to mix up everything. You want to mix it up with your hands, make sure all of the chicken is fully coated. Now we're going to go ahead and wash our veggies. Now, I did get the celery that already came from Target, you know, that's pre-washed, pre-cut, all that good stuff, but you still got to wash. I don't trust it. I didn't see them do it, so you know, just do a little rinse, a little scrub, you know what I'm saying, just to ensure, make sure you're good, getting all that good, you know, rust and dust. You don't know where it's been, you don't know. So then you go ahead and cut up your potatoes. I went ahead and cut them into 4, so you know, y'all know, just cut your potatoes how you like it. If you want them thinly, you know, smaller chunks, cut it in smaller chunks. If you want it a little bit thicker like I do, then you do that. And you just cut up your little celery sticks. Just do as much as you want. Put whatever you want in the recipe, you know. It's, you know, that's what we like about cooking. You just do what's best for you. So now I'm here putting some vegetable oil because I did not have any olive oil. So if you have olive oil, use olive oil. Stir that around the pan, get that hot, and we're going to go ahead and brown our chicken with some sugar and some olive oil. Get it nice and juicy and crispy. I did want to go ahead and add some chicken flavored bouillon to that. It should look a little bit something like this, you know, nothing too crazy. Get it nice and stirred, and then go ahead and put your pre-seasoned chicken in that mixture there. We're gonna get a nice, y'all see that? That's the key to a good stew. You gotta have some nice brown chicken. So after that, you're gonna go ahead and take the chicken out for about 2 minutes. You'll have it in the pot. Take the chicken out and go ahead and add your veggies. And if you have some onions in your fridge, go ahead and use that. But I had this ready to make onion stuff, so I went ahead and used that. But if you do have actual onions, go ahead and cut that up and put it in the stew. I am putting in this canned carrots because that's what I have. Again, if you have fresh carrots, go ahead and use that. But I'm just using what I have on hand because it's cold outside and I need something warm. And this was it. This was the for me. Okay. So after you added all your veggies, go ahead. I like mine a little bit more spicy, so I went ahead and added a little bit more of the red crushed peppers. I did actually season the potato celery mixture already in that black bowl. So if you want to go ahead and do that, because we're going to season everything around here, okay? And this is where you're going to add your chicken broth, okay? Any type of chicken broth is good. I will use this gluten-free, you know, whichever you want to use, you know what I'm saying? So I put that in. Now this is the key. I only used 1 can of cream of chicken. You could use a can of cream of chicken and a can of cream of mushroom, but I wasn't really feeling that. I just wanted a little bit of cream, so I went ahead and put that cream of chicken in there. And so you're gonna go ahead and let that boil for about, well, let it simmer for about 20 minutes to get those potatoes nice and soft. And so after 20 minutes, this is kind of how it's gonna look, nice and creamy. Go ahead and add your chicken at this point after your 20 minutes, just to kind of get the chicken into the broth, get it all in there, all marinated. After about 5 minutes, this is how it should look. Yes. I did actually, after, to make it a little bit more creamier, I used about half a cup of Parmesan to the broth. I also served it with some more Parmesan and some red crushed peppers, just to give it a little extra cream, a little extra kick. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all want more cooking videos, comment down below more cooking videos. I enjoy making these. I enjoy being in the kitchen. If you guys like more content like this, please let me know and I will go ahead and do that for you guys, okay? I hope this helps you guys out. Peace. See y'all in the next one.